Hello, everyone. Do you know that our bodies complain? They give us signals when we are not eating the right thing. We always focus so much on an outward appearance. How do I look physically? That we forget about our inner health. But guess what? Beauty starts from within. Instead of spending so much money on expensive creams, expensive powder, and all those, why not invest that money in nutritious food, which can benefit your body, inside and outside? Even the Bible talks about it. Do you know that? In 3 John chapter 1 verse 2, it said that God wants us to prosper in everything, including our health. And you know what contributes to this good health? Well, guess. That's right. It's good nutrition. That's why we are all about promoting healthy eating on this channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. And to all my loyal subscribers, to all my loyal viewers, you guys are the heroes. Keep showing your support by liking and sharing all my videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss out on any of my uploads. Now stick around as I wipe up some delicious okra soup and wheat flour fufu. Are you ready? Let's go.
So take a look at my stockfish, dry fish, oregano, okra, my beef tripe, that's towel, some people call it. This is my red oil. This is my spinach. I'm going to use spinach as my leafy veggies. My habanero pepper, onions, iodized salt, crayfish, and my seasoning. So they are the stars of this dish. Now let's dive into the world of okra. Did you know that okra is not only widely enjoyed, but is also incredibly nutritious? It's very low in calories, yet it's packed with all the essential nutrients. So one standout benefit of okra is that it's very high in vitamin content, which aids in blood clotting. And this is an important health factor. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, safeguarding your body cells. Then I'll be prepping my vegetable. I'll be using spinach as my choice of green leafy vegetables. You can watch my previous video where I discussed more on health benefits of this leafy vegetable. Now, let's talk about the white meat. I'll be using beef stripe today for this soup. It's a lean meat, and we know that lean meat is a powerhouse of vitamins and its nutrients. We have it has protein, iron, and various vitamin Bs. It's a healthier option compared to red meat, thanks to its lower fat content. And before I get cooking, I have already taken the time to soak my dry fish, the stockfish, ensuring that they are prepped and ready to go. My next step is cutting my onions. So into the pot, I'm going to add the meat, the dry fish, stockfish. Along with them, I'm adding these onions, my seasoning, and just the right amount of salt. After this, you have to give everything a good stir. Then add some water, not too much, just enough water to let those flavors you added shine through your meat and your stockfish. Now, onto the burner it goes, and we are off to the cooking race. Then, talking about this, the beef stripe, it can be a bit stubborn to tenderize, so feel free to use your preferred method, whether it's a pressure pot or whatever you find easiest and most enjoyable. Keep an eye on it until it reaches the perfect level of tenderness. Once it does, you add your red oil, as I'm doing right now. and turn it, cover it, and let it simmer together beautifully. So while our meat sauce is doing its thing, it's time to tackle the pepper. Give it a good wash, then blend it with some crayfish. So remember, the quantity of the ingredients you're using depends on how much soup you're making. So be mindful of the measurement to avoid ending up with a salty or overly spicy dish. Once blended, you add it to the sauce, give it a stir, and let it all mingle together. Don't forget to taste your sauce. Then after that, you have to turn it, but don't mind me. I love turning soups. So now here is where my twist comes in, the ogbono. Some people skip this step, but for me, it's a must. It adds that special touch and a boost of nutrition. As you add the ground ogbono, keep an eye on the texture. We want it just right, not too thick. Remember, we are still going to add the okra. You cover your pot and allow it to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, this is to allow the ogbono to thicken the soup a little. Time to bring in the okra. So I turn the soup. I make sure that it's not thick, so I don't want it too thick. So as you can see, it's a little bit it's slimy, and the thickness is okay. The texture is good. I'm going to add in my chopped ogbono okra. I chop this okra myself because I like them rounded. So I'm just tossing them in, followed by my vegetables. Um, Remember, there is something I want you to know about this soup. We want to keep things fresh. So don't overcook these beauties. Just a minute on the burner after adding them, and we are good to go. Your soup is ready. And this is the delicious plate of okra soup. So delicious. And it's not yet over. The final stage is then making the wheat flour fufu. Here I'm done making it. This is where I wrapped it for the family. Thank you all for joining me on this cooking adventure. Remember to subscribe for more healthy living tips and nutritional recipes every week. Until next time, take care of yourselves and stay healthy. God bless. And if you like this video, please share it. Some people will benefit from it. Like and comment. Thank you.